Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Don't sleep on BCH. We are going to see the next targets. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see the targets. And first of all, I want to thank you for 10,000 subscribers that we have over this 1 year that we have the channel, a brand new channel, 10,000 subscribers. I wouldn't make anything without you. And of course, this is a reward for the everyday, the daily videos right here, and it gives me confidence to keep continuing and doing the work that I'm doing. If you like it, you can subscribe it. Thank you so much. Let's go right now to BCH against USDT chart. As you can see, BCH had a very crazy pump yesterday, and I told you right here, do not worry about BCH. It is going to find its way upwards. We are not worried if we know what it will happen. Okay, we are not worried to check the charts all the time. We are not worried to make anything. If we know what will happen next, then we are just observing the price. Okay, that's why I told you for BCH, we are not looking at which a breakout we will have, which target actually we will be having a breakout, but we are looking the support levels in each day so we can accumulate some more. Right now, BCH is having a little bit of a correction. Looks like a little bit of a nice wedge right here that could potentially lead us to the higher highs right there, and of course we could go all the way higher. We will see about that. On the 4-hour frame, we are looking like we can do some nice things. 20-day MA, 50-day MA is becoming right now our support level, and eventually I think we are going soon to break the 350 and go all the way up to 385, the previous high that we had, the correction going on, the massive correction right here. In just few hours you can see that it dropped so much, and of course many buyers were panicked with this situation of a minus 24%, but do not worry about that because BCH would do a fantastic run of 20%, right? You can see right here we are at 15% for this time, and we are going to see the next price targets. Of course, the technical analysis suggests that we can grow potentially even more, okay, but we do not have this kind of an oversold situation. If we go back to the 1-hour frame though, we have the stochastic sign and oversold. That means that we have a very nice chance of running upwards and of going even higher, especially if BCH against Bitcoin chart has a pump now, right? We need to have a strong BCH against Bitcoin chart, holding the 50-day MA for the time being, had a nice buying pressure, and of course we have more room to grow. We have more room to grow with all the risk metrics right here, and we can potentially grow even more. I feel like BCH is going to grow even more, and of course do not forget that BCH against Bitcoin chart will be going even higher, and I think that we are going to stop firstly at the 0.1223. This is a nice 47% target, profit target for BCH against Bitcoin chart on the weekly frame. The monthly frame suggests that we have a bullish RSI divergence, we have a higher low on the commodity channel index, a higher low on the stochastic RSI with a bullish cross, and a higher low on the Fisher transform, while we have the lower low in the price starting from 1st March, going up almost 1 year down after. You can see that 1st May, and we are just in a downtrend for so long. Now things are going to turn out pretty good for BCH against Bitcoin chart. We are going eventually to have a clear, nice pump. Things can go up pretty quickly. In just few days to few weeks, we can have an 87% like we had back on 1st April. In just 1 month, look at that, we had a 100% pump, right? Things can go nasty in Bitcoin and crypto market, right? We have so much volatility, and therefore that's why I suggest you do not forget actually about the recent price action or what are we going to do in the next 1 hour. So I'm doing the market updates right now to just tell you to have confidence in yourself and believe that BCH will be going even higher. So right now, if we go to the daily frame right here, you can see that we had a clear bounce. Probably we might be having a bounce today even and pushing ourselves even higher. In the time being, what I would suggest is, if you want for a quick small trade, to just see the 352, okay, which will be a very important resistance level, and the 370 if you want for quick trades. And yes, we will be going into these targets, and there at 370 we might be finding a little bit of a rejection going on. We will be finding actually a little bit of a rejection going on 370. However, things will go very good soon enough, and we are going massively to break the 390 to go to 400, 430, 453, and I think that the 490 to 470 is a major resistance level for BCH that we will potentially, after we break these targets right here, and after we achieve these targets, we will have a little bit of a selling pressure around there to keep going even higher, potentially, assuming that BTC will also be going higher, right? Because I'm expecting, as I told you, BTC to go a little bit further down into this here. Okay, so right now BCH against Bitcoin chart will be finding the first resistance level on the 0.101223. Okay, if I had to draw another Fibonacci tool, I would draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension with this bottom right here to this top and back to this bottom right there. We have with the trend-based Fibonacci extension some other resistance levels right there. You can see the first one will be the 0.101191 and the 0.101482. I think that these will be easily achieved. Do not worry about that. And of course, whatever tool you use, make sure that, of course, we will be going towards the targets. And especially for me, an 80% is very logical over the next few weeks for BCH against Bitcoin chart. This will lead the price massively higher, and I feel like BCH against USDT will have a very nice and clean buying pressure over the next days. Okay, so of course these are the targets for the short term. These are the targets for more of the next few days, maybe towards the end of the month. We achieve these targets right here. We have an explosion for BCH against Bitcoin chart, and we see higher targets. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.